Hope everyone's doing well. I'm just going to make a quick video over Friday, August the 13th. Overall, pretty boring day. Range was really small. You're at all-time highs, and you see, as you can see on the daily chart, very small bar, but also the range. Do this. The range of this day was extremely small. All-time highs, weekly chart. Yesterday was a close, and as you can see, we closed on the high. I think we're gonna. I know we're gonna test down to the moving average at some point. And 60-minute chart, again, more or less the same. Pretty tight channel. Haven't had a close under the moving average in a long time, so it's bullish, but it's climactic. So at some point, I do think it's the 13th. There's still a couple weeks left in the trading for this month. I don't think we're going to close on the high. If anything, I'd be interested to see what puts are up here. I'm sure they're pretty pricey. Let's go to a 5-minute chart. So coming in, so for Friday, I'll do it like this first. First bar of the day. See, like that first bar of the day. Big doji bar. I wouldn't. Very tight channel, so not really a great sell. But if I had to do anything, I would, sell the close, stop above. But I have a concern with selling below the bar because the bar is so big. So even if traders, that's why I think that happened. Traders sold the close, scalped out. Maybe some sold, but traders are going to scalp. And it's a limit order market. So, you sell the close, you sell this bar, you're disappointed here. If you're quick, you can get out before, something like that happens, and then that happens. But what I think traders are really doing is you'll have traders who will sell the market, sell the close, scalp out. Others who they'll buy these lows, buy lower, and they'll see this bar and they'll just buy the close, knowing that they can at least get a few points. And then big bull bar, probably going to going up at least a little bit higher. But again, this is probably not the low of the day. This is a very climactic rally. We know that, as Al always says, there's expect 2 hours of sideways on the open, especially after something like this, when you see some climactic. So I'm not enticed to buy up here. I want to buy down here, and I want to see a pullback. 15-minute chart, this is going to screw it up, but here's your 15-minute chart. I don't want to buy up here. I want to buy down here. I'm going to go to a 5-minute chart. Okay, so big bar. Is it buy the close? Probably not. And then you see this. So what are traders are doing? They're selling, scaling in as traders bought lower. You have bears who will sell this high and scale in. They were able to get out break even down here. Second entry short, is it an okay short? Maybe, but again, I would expect disappointment. I think we're going to fall below these lows. I don't see this being a low of the day, but also I don't see it being a traditional breakout mode. We had a reversal down and reversal up, but it's not enough bars. Usually you need about 10 bars before you can expect a measured move up or down. I do think we'll get a measured move of the range at this point. And if I had to do anything, I would sell, stop up here. Big bear bar, disappointment. Personally, if I was short, I'd be disappointed enough I would get out at the close of this bar if I was short, because I don't want to see a double bottom and a rally up. And typically in a trading range, when you're swing trading, you're going to lose. Inside bar, again, it's a low one short, but it's at the moving average. I would not sell below. It's a limit order market. Traders are buying these lows, scaling in lower, and the reality is they'll probably be able to buy this low and buy more lower and make money. And there you go, bulls made money. So you can call it expanding triangle. Bulls buying below the lows of these bars. Is it going to be a wedge? 1, 2, 3, and then a sell-off? Maybe. Is it by the close? No. It's a trading range, so big bull bars at the top of the range, traders begin to sell. We could get a surprise and breakout and a little bit more up. That does happen. Doji, traders will sell here. They scaled in, probably going to get out here, and they did. So it's stop entries are failing. Every limit order is working. So you sell this high, scale in. You sell this close, make money. You buy this low, scale in, make money. You buy this close, scale in, make money. You buy this low, make money. You sell this close, sell more higher, make money. This range is really small though. I mean, it's about 5 points. So, but it's a very tight range, and that's important to understand. Again, no stop entries. Every one of these bars is a limit order bar, so you can buy this low, buy more lower, make money. You can buy this low, buy more, make money. I'm not suggesting that because it's very difficult and you have to be very quick if you get a breakout. But there's no, is it a wedge? 1, 2, 3. Sure, it's a wedge, double top, but very tight trading range, so it's kind of irrelevant. And at this point, if I saw this, I would not be doing limit orders. I would just be waiting. I wouldn't do anything here. I'd look at a different market. Big bar, is this going to be the breakout of a triangle? Maybe, but probably not. So here's your triangle. Several legs down, several legs up. Again, it's probably not going to be, we've had a triangle here, 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 here. It just gets tighter and tighter. Let's wait to see something like this. Doji, disappointment. If the bears were really in control, we wouldn't get a doji bar. And we're going right back into the triangle. And we're rallying. So what about here? Is this going to be a bull breakout? Probably not. Look at the breakout bar. What are we breaking out of? We're breaking out of a very tight range with not a lot of urgency. So traders are hesitating. Traders are buying. And arguably, there's not a lot of excitement to buy up here. And there may not be a lot of excitement to sell down here. So it just gets vacuumed up to where people want to sell. Same thing down here. There's not a lot of buying up here, so it gets vacuumed down until people start buying. And now you can see 4 consecutive bars, 1, 2, 3, 4. But again, do you sell down here? You can. It's 4 consecutive bars, but look at the bars. I wouldn't do it. Another big bar, bottom of the range. Is this going to be a successful breakout? We've broken out below the past 20, 30, 40 bars. Maybe, but again, when you see something like this and then you see this late in the day, it could be a trap. Consecutive inside bars. If I was short, I would get out just at the close or above. It's trading range day, and the reality is it's not worth. I'd rather wait and see an actual strong breakout. And then we rallied right back in the range, and deep pullback, tested the lows, and there's the day. So overall, pretty boring day. I think it's most important to just don't do dumb things on this day. Don't try to force. Unless you're trading with limit orders, you're not going to make. It's going to be really difficult to make money. So it's just easier to watch. And if you don't want to do limit orders, then let it be and wait for another day.